Hey tribe, it's your girl Precious Stevens, aka the Draping Queen, and today we're stepping up our game with some Payette Sequin. I'll be guiding you through the process of enhancing a basic backdrop design such as this with some dazzling Payette fabric to take it up a notch. Whether you're planning a wedding, a party, or a big event, these tips will help you stand out and wow your clientele. So let's get into it and roll the intro. So today we're gonna be doing a transformation. So in our previous video, we designed this beautiful backdrop and you're not gonna wanna miss it, so go check it out. But today, we're gonna transform it and kind of take it up a notch with some Payette Sequin. So the beauty about Payette Sequin, guys, is that you really can kind of find ways to save money with it, right? Because they have the tablecloths that really can act as your draping panels if you get the 90 by 156s. That will act as your 12-foot draping panel, which is perfect for what we're about to do. So as you guys can see, this backdrop is pretty amazing, right? It looks really gorgeous. But if you kind of want to spin it a little bit, we're going to add some Payette to kind of change the look. And if you want to charge more, you can, because Payette Sequin is considered premium fabric. So let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is actually lower your design in its lowest setting. But the good thing about transforming the backdrop is I am not going to dismantle my swags. I'm gonna keep them right in place, so when I raise it, they kind of fall right back where they are. So you just want to lower your uprights. Now, while my unit is down in its lowest setting, not only will I be removing the valance, but I'm also going to be removing the base layer. The base layer has regular 3mm sequin. We're going to replace that with the Payette as well. So you just take off your back crossbar. And as of now, I am undressing my sequin panels so I can replace them with my Payette panels. Now I'm going to thread my other Payette panel on the same exact end as my first panel. Now both of these panels are 12 foot in length and 10 foot wide. And the reason I'm using two, even though this is only a 7 foot wide backdrop, is because I want to create that fullness by using two panels. If I use one, it'll work, but it'll be like a flat surface, and using two just kind of give it a more fuller effect. Okay, now that I attach my Payette sequin to my base layer, I am going to remove the valance and add the Payette to my second layer.
Hey, before we dive back into our video, a quick shout out to everyone who's not yet a part of the tribe, aka our amazing Facebook group. Now, if you're not a part of the tribe, guess what? You are really missing out on a ton of value. We have a community of over 12,000 members where you can showcase your work and get expert feedback. It's not just a group, guys. It's a supportive space for insights, tips, and connecting with like-minded folks who are all about elevating their draping skills. So click the link in the description to join the tribe, and I can't wait to see you guys on the inside. Now let's get back to the video.
Okay guys, so this is the Payette bolt, right? This was the bolt that came in 10 feet, and you can just easily get the bolt, cut it into two panels, meaning each panel will be 5 feet in length. And there you have two panels. That's another money-saving hack. Now, I've cut them already into two panels, not to mention, I've also sewn the end to make a seam. So now we're gonna take our last two pieces of Payette sequin and we're gonna attach it to both ends of our backdrop. Okay, so just like before, you want to make sure everything is kind of even up above on your crossbar. You're not really going to do anything to the bottom, because once you raise your unit, it should fall right back in place to how it was before, meaning your swags are in place, everything is in place, so it's nothing else for you to do. All right guys, so now we're going to the finish line. You want to make sure everything is kind of evenly dispersed along your crossbar, raise your design, look for any inconsistencies, and then puddle up your design to complete the overall look. Okay, now you have everything up. You just want to polish your design, meaning puddle up your base plates, and also look for your swags to make sure everything is still kind of even and didn't fall out of place. And just make any kind of corrections that you want to make at this point. All right, guys, so there you have it. This is a really easy way to transform your backdrop from 3mm sequin to Payette sequin. I want you guys to tell me below, which one is your favorite? All right, guys, now you're all set to design a backdrop with Payette sequin. And if you're ready to get started on creating something like this, then check out our store for all the supplies. All the links are right below in the description. Quick question though, how much are you guys charging for something like this? I want you to tell me in the comments so we can get the pricing conversation rolling. Y'all know it's a struggle out there, but guess what? It no longer has to be with my backdrop pricing calculator software. I want you to click the links in the description to grab your copy today and stop undercutting your value. It's really time to get paid your coin. And guys, if you really love these tips, then why not show your girl some love by smashing that like button and subscribing to the best premium draping channel on the internet. And as always, guys, stay fabulous, stay inspired, and keep draping like a pro. I'll see you guys in the next one. But guess what? You can change it up a bit and include some Payette sequin table. What's going on over there, kids? Okay, guys, so now you're getting to the good part. Now you are, I'm done.
When you do that, I feel like a good student. I feel like a student.